Good morning and welcome back. Hope you're all well. So today I'm heading to a lovely little bay on the North Kent coast, and I'm going to be cooking Kentish Rarebit, or attempting to anyway, which is, as you probably guessed, a variation of Welsh rarebit, but more on that later. So I've just parked up and heading in. It's a bit of a trek, but it's a glorious September morning, and apart from the birds and the odd plane going over, there's no sound at all. Splendid. I've been looking forward to this. I've never actually been to this place, but I've heard a lot about it. What a lovely little place. On the North Kent coast. Look at this. Essex in the background. Lovely. I was hoping that there'd be some driftwood down here. I bought the twig stove to do it, but there isn't. It's been quite wet last week or so, but I've got an alcohol stove and I've got a gas stove as well, so it should be okay. Right, so I'm just frying off that apple in some butter until it goes soft and starts to caramelize, and then after that what I need to do is put some grated cheddar cheese in there. The apple's frying off in the butter, smells amazing. Here we go, some of that. I actually found this recipe online. I had no idea, but literally all it is just a variation on the Welsh one, and it just uses apple and cheddar cheese really, and that's it, on a nice bit of toasted bread. I'm interested in these sort of old regional recipes and stuff, and I thought I might do a series on those, just, you know, go to various places in Kent and just to try and cook them, replicate them, or even put my spin on them really. But yeah, give it a go, see how it is. The important thing is just getting out really, isn't it? And you know, I've never been to this place before, but I've seen a lot of other people with their YouTube videos and photos and stuff, and I thought, yeah, do you know, why not? It's only up the road really from me. I'd say up the road, it's half an hour, everything's up the road from me. Right, let's get that warm. Now I'm just going to lightly toast some bread, and I've gone for a seeded bread. Here we go. Oh yeah, perfect, fits in there. So just heat those up a bit, get them warm. It's a shame there was no wood around. All the bits that are too wet to use. I really wanted to use the twig stove today. I'm glad I bought another stove though, because you never know, do you? I've seen one other person down here who was just walking on the ridge, right around there. That's it though. Okay, so let's spoon some of this cheese and apple mixture onto this bread. Now, it says that you need to grid it. Now, I can't grid it here, so I'll improvise and do something. Probably put a lid over this in a minute. Okay. Right, how are we getting on? Couple more minutes, I say. Looking forward to this. Smells amazing. Right, so I've been looking forward to this. This is Kentish Rarebit, which is apple and cheese on toast. Oh my. Give it a go. It's amazing. Absolutely wolfed that down. It was really nice, really delicious. I'm really surprised that cheese and apple works really well. I guess it's a known combination, but cooked together nicely. I did manage to grill it a bit by putting the chopping board over the top of the pan, improvise and all that kind of jazz. But yeah, really pleased with that. And also I'm pleased that I made the effort to come down to this bay on the North Kent coast. It was a bit of a trek, not too bad, but further than I thought it would be. But it's a really nice day, wasn't too challenging, and you get to see these amazing views here as well. Right, so I'm going to pack up now, head back home. So I really enjoyed doing that actually. I think I am going to do a series on sort of regional dishes from Kent, cook them outdoors and stuff, you know, maybe try different stoves out and stuff. If you've got any suggestions or recommendations, let me know in the comments below. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing please. It really helps to motivate me make more videos. But anyway, thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors. Bye for now.